So I want to check out this YouTube channel, Outdoor Boys. Has a massive following of 12 million subscribers. I never even heard of this channel before until today because I've seen some clips of him making like igloos and stuff. So I wanted to check out some of the videos. This guy's crazy. He'll like survive in like crazy elements, and he's out there in the wilderness. There's like no camera crew from what I see. He's surviving out there. So let's go ahead and check out some of these videos on his channel. It looks really interesting. So it's like he's out in the middle of on a mountaintop somewhere. It's crazy. Damn, look how deep that snow is. So he's taking out this pole thing. And okay, so he's measuring how deep it is. I wonder if he could fall through that. Is it just the ice is just supporting his weight? That's how dense the ice, the snow is. It's crazy. Okay, so he's making like a little trail. Okay, so he's digging up in there. Look at that. Look at that snow. It looks fake. It looks like styrofoam or something. That's crazy. It straight up looks like he's like digging in styrofoam. It's crazy. I didn't even know snow could get like this. Looks like he's making some stairs. That's physical labor right there. That must be that's a workout, man. Look how easy it is to cut through that. He's using like a pole. Is that a pole he's using? Or is that a little... This is like real life Minecraft right here. This would be so fun to do. I want to get like a group of people and do this in real life. This would be so fun. So it looks like he's gonna make a little room in there. So he's already making a little cave in there. That's crazy, dude. That's so cool. Ooh.
As I cut away the sides, every so often the snow will settle and just go.
Oh
nice
yeah.
Scares the bejeebies out of me.
Oh, that's freaky. Feels like freaking Patrick's house with the sand. It's like a snowman version of Patrick. That's crazy. That's so much snow that it built up over time. And make it like a fireplace or something. Look at that, dude. I wonder if he made fire, it would like melt the snow. That's crazy. It's like a little house. And he's having like a little snack. So he's setting up his bed. Oh yeah. Oh no, I can't. You can't sleep like that. I was gonna say. Oh yeah, he's gonna. I would adjust that. This is literally Minecraft, man. That's crazy. Alright, that's a little better. Dude has the survival gear. So, Wouldn't that melt the snow? I don't know.
This is a pretty cozy little shelter.
That's so cool. That's so cool. I want to do this one day. That's so awesome. You just walk out and now you see that.
View.
Oh, yeah.
Oh, I've got room to sit down, cook, sleep. This is perfect. And it only took me 4 hours to make this thing, which is a lot less time than some of my other
that's still a lot
shelters.
of. That's 4 hours. Dang. It probably would have took me like dang near half the day to do this. It's fascinating that the snow isn't melting. That's how cold it is. That's how compact and cold it is out there. You can cook warm fire food under it and it won't even melt it. You would think it would like start dripping and melting, but it's just so compact and cold. Dang, he's having like a full course meal. It actually looks pretty good. I'll be seeing that survival food they have, and it looks like crap. He like brought some good food with him.
A beautiful chicken mango curry.
Yeah, that looks good. I'm not gonna lie, I would eat that. Shoot, he's probably devouring that because he hasn't probably eaten all day.
Check for leaks and put the hot water bottle in my sleeping bag. Get all nice and toasty. I'll tell you what, this is just one of the best snow shelters I've ever made. There's a couple key features that are really important to keeping you warm. First off, you don't want your sleeping area to be the lowest point in the shelter. The cold air tends to collect at the bottom. Another thing is you want to make sure your snow shelter has lots of corners. You don't want to allow the wind to blow straight into your snow shelter.
Yeah, it makes sense.
Additionally, when you do have a corner, make a little extra room so when the wind comes down, it goes past the door instead of being funneled into the door.
Oh, okay. Survival tip, guys.
I've got two entrances so that if the wind blows crosswise, the wind continues through the shelter instead of getting funneled down into the shelter. The inside of this shelter is about 5 feet wide and the roof is a little bit over 6 feet tall. So the very back of the shelter to the mouth is 11 feet.
Dang, how tall is this dude? He's all crouching. He's like 6'5".
Excavate this part of the shelter.
Or 6'3".
So at the bottom of the entrance to the top of the snow berm, it's a little over 10 feet deep. But the original surface of the snow was about 8.5 feet deep. The distance from here at the top of the stairs to the back of that wall is about 17 feet. Plus there's this little bit I excavated right here. So my rough estimate is that I had to move about 423 cubic feet of snow to build this shelter. A little over 15.5 cubic yards. That's the max capacity of a commercial dump truck. I earned my hot chocolate tonight.
Man, that's crazy. That's so cool though.
Oh, look at this. Got a lot of snow last night.
Dang.
Oh yeah, that's got to be at least a foot. Consequently, the roof is sagged a little bit. It's about an inch or two shorter. I'm having to hunch over a lot more than I did last night. Snow caves will actually do that. They'll sag quite a bit over time. If you're going to use them for more than one day, often you have to re-dig out the roof. If you're a bit claustrophobic, it can make it hard to sleep at night knowing that the roof is slowly sagging over your face. All right,
yeah, I know.
Get my pants on. Oh, my pants are frozen.
That's pretty dangerous too. Like if that collapses on you and you're under that, you're dead. No one's there to save you. All that snow.
That's light shining through the snow right here. You can see that's about 2 feet of snow. So I'm really curious to see whether this roof can stand up to 200 pounds of me jumping up and down on it.
Oh, yeah, that sounds fun. Just try to make a cave in. That's how strong snow is compact together. That's insane.
I couldn't feel any movement. Yeah, I mean, it looks perfectly fine from here. Well, this one hasn't collapsed yet, but all snow caves collapse eventually. All right, I think it's time to get out of here.
Yeah, so I thought that was interesting. I thought I'd show you guys that how you can literally dig a little igloo in the snow. It literally looks like a Minecraft thing. So that's crazy. So I thought that was interesting. Thanks for watching.